Hi guys, thanks for stopping by. If you're new to my channel or if you're returning, welcome or welcome back. For those that don't know me, my name is Jan from Jandle in the City. My channel is all about luxury unboxing, pre-loved and on occasion beauty products. So if this is something you might be interested in, please click that subscribe button, click that notification bell, and you'll know when I've uploaded new and upcoming videos. So guys, I've been away from YouTube for a little bit. I'm working on a really special project. I'm starting a new business, so I wanted to come on here and just mention that to you very quickly. I'm so excited about it. You know, it's going to take another probably couple months before I can share it with you. I'm so excited and I cannot wait, guys, for you to see and reveal what I've been doing. So I do have here some items that have been sitting here for a while that I need to unbox, and hopefully I will get around to that very shortly. So I do have, starting off here at the bottom, I just picked up a couple acrylic pieces for makeup, for palettes that I might be using. Not quite sure if I'm going to put it in my mirrored vanity or if I'm just going to set it on top of my island. I'm converting this basement down here to a larger walk-in closet. I do have one upstairs, but it's fairly small. You know how that goes, ladies. It grows really quickly. So I'm in the process of that as well, plus renovating the house, adding a new deck, new stove, new appliances, painting cupboards, walls, you name it. Anyway, nevertheless, I do have this really nice acrylic drawer piece, and they're stackable. I do want to get some more. I picked that one up at Home Sense here in Canada. This one I picked up at Bed Bath & Beyond. It's a palette organizer. I do have something from Louis Vuitton. This one I've waited for a long time. I was trolling the site. I saw it. It came up. I wasn't quite sure if it was a mistake, but it's a really hard little item to get, and I did take it. So it does pay off, guys, when you're looking at the site trying to find things at all hours in the morning. And over here I have two pieces in this plastic mailer. Well, I'll show you when I open it. I do have something that came from Scotland. I'm excited about that. That is it's hand signed from Eric Faulkner from the Bay City Rollers. If any of you were a little older, you would know the Bay City Rollers. You followed them in the 70s. They were like the New Kids on the Block. They were like the whatever boy bands are famous right now. But he was my favorite. He had the most beautiful eyes, so I cannot wait to open that and read that. In the fragile box here, it's Chanel. This larger box here, I can't recall what that one is. That's because it's been sitting for a while. This one is Chanel. And this one is a fragrance from Guerlain. So guys, just a very short video. I wanted to pop on to let you know that these unboxings are coming very shortly. Being very busy with the new project, you tend to forget things. So I will be unboxing these very shortly, guys. I hope you're all safe. I hope you're all staying well. And I hope most of you have got out there and gotten your shot. So, can't wait to share with you guys. Stay safe. Have an amazing week. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.